Well, what's happening in Hopkins Dirty South Homestead's here with another adventure. There's my daybow right there. Here comes Justice from behind. Look how pretty. Look how pretty. These are my mom's cactuses she had over there up underneath this rose bush. And the rose bush would cover up the cactus, and it never growed. It never sprouted flowers, that's for sure. I don't know what these are. I don't think it's got nothing to do with what I want in here, but there's a lot of them in here. But, tell me what you think. This is so pretty. Mama, I wish you could have seen your cactus look, I guess. Now, it's growed, y'all. Me just step back about 6, 7 steps. It's big, y'all. I like it. So pretty. So pretty. It needs more white rock, please. Nunley, can you make it happen? Rock crusher, 2 dogs down. 2 dogs down. That's my iron. Marty's got to weld one of these arms. Oh, where is it? He's got to weld something. Or has he already done it? He might have, y'all. Let's see, handles. Huh. How about that? Marty Lee's done welded my furniture. My outside furniture. It's my fig tree. Gotta get them other trees out of here. Look how beautiful. How beautiful. Look at you, beautiful. You are so beautiful. And you're mine. I like flipping the camera on people. Makes me feel good. In my office. This don't belong here.